Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add a remove widget on home screen on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, go back and go to next page. Just click and hold on screen and click on widgets. After click on widgets, select calendar, chat GPT, Chrome, clock, contacts, any widget from here. Select clock widget. After select widget, click on add. You will see widget is add. After add widget, if you want to remove, just click and hold on widget and click. You will see remove. Widget is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.